It's the weekend. My daughter has cried enough. I'll take you today to Dubai Beach. To Dubai.
Stupid. You should not say no camera talk.
Hi guys, today we are going to the beach.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, today we are. Hello guys, today we are going to the beach. I cried enough.
So guys, actually,
We are going to the beach today.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom!
Toilet door is open here.
it's not shine. So let's go.
Let's get started to the beach.
Happy Friday to everyone. And now today,
We are going to the beach.
that's right. Now today we are going to the beach. This is our first time actually to go outside.
Yeah, because it's not loud.
Yeah, but now it's allowed. So
Yeah, now it's
after
loud.
3 months is our first time to come out or to go out to the beach. So
Because we never went out.
yes.
Wait, was it?
Yes. So Isabella is very excited. So now we'll show you how it's look like Dubai Beach. So
Let's
keep
get
on watching.
So guys, we over here now. Now we're going to go to the beach.
You're excited?
Yes, I'm excited so much. So
Now we are in the parking. And this is my princess.
now we're at the parking. Now I'm going to drive to the beach.
Yes.
So,
Any chatting with Jenny, huh?
so we are outside now.
Now we are heading to the beach.
Yes, but right now I'm so excited.
Yes, you are. You excited?
Yes, so much excited.
What you gonna do to the beach?
I'm gonna swim, I'm gonna have fun, I'm gonna just play in the
Sand.
sand. Like
Can
that.
I see Isabella?
Yeah! With my swimsuit on.
Yes.
This one because I don't know how to swim yet.
Yeah.
That this thing I don't know, I'm gonna drown, something like that. So, we are outside. Now we're going to the beach. We are so close to the beach.
That is the Burj Khalifa, the pointy one. This is the Burj Khalifa.
So much shiny.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
What did I do?
Cuckoo!
Bella, keep quiet now.
Ah, So we are here. Now we are here, guys. Now we are reached
Where were we reached?
to the beach. We already finally here.
Today, guys, is very crowded.
Hey, Dada, you saw
So,
that?
plus it is also weekend.
Look.
So I think half of the families in Dubai gone to the beach today. It's just too crowded. But anyway, we've reached in the beach. So now, guys, we're on the beach. See?
Mama, can you carry me? I'm scared of bags.
It's quite crowded today. Anyway, it's back to normal now. So people are start coming to the beach. Yes. Don't worry. See. Hi, Isabella.
Hi.
So this is how it is, guys, our beach. So now we are heading to the beach. See, people are taking a bath after the dip, after the swim. They have taken a bath. So this is how it looks like here, the beach in Dubai. This is one of those. This is one of the beach in Dubai, but this is the less crowded one. So this is the normally place that we love to come because actually it's not crowded. The other beaches are crowded, so this is quite okay, but still crowded. Isabella! Isabella! See the water, nice water. There's a sparrow. A bird. Yes.
Underwater glass. Can I have that underwater glass? Mama?
This is the entire view at the beach. As you can see, so many people are there. It's my daughter there. Now Isabella is having fun. Isabella! Having fun? What are you doing? Digging? And that is my husband there. Here comes my husband. Where is he? There. He's having a dip. He is having a dip. Okay. My daughter is there. I'll show you the Burj Khalifa. As you can see, this is the tallest building in the world. As you can see that. Isabella. She's really enjoyed the water. Isabella. Hello. Hello, guys. And let's see, that's my husband as well. That's my husband. As you can see, oh my god, loads of lots of people on the beach. See all those people. Even that farther down, there are also lots of people farther down. And this is the guardhouse. I'll show you. This is the lifeguard house station. This one. Now the father and daughter, they really both enjoy the water. I didn't go for the water today because I have a visitor today, so that's why I couldn't able to go in the water. Isabella! As you can see, on the beach also, there is a police car patrolling in the area. Normally it is like this. On every location on the beach, they always just come, just pass by patrolling. If everything is okay. I'll show you guys the beautiful sunset in Dubai. How beautiful it is. Big round thing. Beautiful sunset. Is it beautiful? Nice it is, right? It's 7 o'clock now, but you can still see it's still bright. 7 o'clock in Dubai summer. This is how it is. 7 o'clock in Dubai, still bright. Still lots of people. And I'll show you in this area. That area. Now this is how it looks like in the evening. This is 8 o'clock. So this is the shower. So after you take a bath, after you go for a swim, you can go from here for a shower. So this is how it is. Still people are there. Okay. That's how it is. Still people on the beach. Hi Isabella, what are you doing? Look at me, Bella. Now she's playing now on the sand. She doesn't want to go home.